living large. Tony's in charge, he's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves, his groove. Trade with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, and it's a blast. Trade with Tony, and making fortune fast. Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teach you the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves his groove. Trading with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, and it's a blast. Trade with Tony, and making fortune fast.
Good morning, traders. Well, another nice start. So that's Friday, Thursday. We're back. Yeah, I think I'm back. Before John Wick. So yeah, Edible Garden moved up. Managed to get some of that on earnings. A couple have moved up. It's not been our cutest biotech that moved up. Missed that move, but that was earnings. Vodafone moved up. But yeah, I guess I thought look, I've been here before with the meme stocks. So someone asked earlier with regards to is the meme rally over? It may be, it may not. In 2021, what we would have is the meme rally, then it would consolidate for a while, and then it would go again. So I'm not saying it will go again, but it can do. So that's where we are right now, guys. Okay, so let's have a look at the market. So let's do the roll call first. So Fish Dude, you're very welcome. Lisa, good morning to you. Mike Moorhead, good morning. Good to have you back. The Dude, good morning to you. And Ricky, good morning to you. And I think that's it. Steve, good morning. Diamond Davey, how are you doing, buddy? And everybody that's watching on TikTok. I don't see your names, but everybody that's watching on TikTok. So yeah, good morning to you as well. So what I would say is, What I would say is yesterday was a great day. My vision of my finish when I ended up here was correct. SunPower took us over 30k, and that moved quite substantially. And we managed to get not only green, but a nice profit on SunPower in the end. The biggest trading day of the year so far to date, and we finished yesterday 32k. An absolutely fantastic trading day, following up a good day on Monday, but also a really good day on Friday trading Novavax. So here is the algorithmic scrum. Let's have a look at the markets. Of course, in half an hour's time, we get the CPI numbers drop. Also got oil and gas inventories later in the day. We've got retail numbers to drop as well. So let's take a look at the daily on the SPY. That's the weekly. So let's look at the daily, and we're approaching that all-time high. So the regular session all-time high is 524. We're at 523. So 524.61. We need another dollar during the regular session to get up there. We'll get that if we get good CPI data. However, PPI and CPI tend to be very similar. We didn't get great CPI data yesterday. PPI data yesterday. The market pulled back and then it rallied later in the day. So yeah, it pretty much broke straight away actually on the PPI data. And I think a lot of that was down to a lot of meme stock movement. So yeah, we'll see what the CPI has for us in 30 minutes for the drop. Good morning, Neil. All right, dude, nice one. Nice one. I'm going to take full credit for that. So this is the SPY. You can see we're way above this bull market channel. way above it. We had this almost double W shape here before we had another rally up to the highs. And ultimately, what you find is the market only ever goes in one direction in the long term. So it comes as no surprise. This is the triple Q, or also affectionately known as the NASDAQ 100. So this is moving up all the way as well, and is already at those all-time highs, almost 449. So 449 is the all-time high, I believe. 449.34. Let's alter that one. 34, not 17. 34. So that's the all-time highs there on the NASDAQ 100, or the triple Q. So the market's looking quite bullish at the moment. Nvidia is up at 913, so long may that continue. It's slightly down on the day. Had a good day yesterday. Slightly down on the day, so I'd like to see Nvidia having that. Oh, it's actually up now. It's just crossed that profitability line for the day. So let's see. Hey Adam, how you doing, buddy? No wine today. It was a nice drop yesterday that I celebrated with, but none today. We're already over gold, so we don't have the movers that we did yesterday. So I'm just going to be cautious with my next couple of entries, just to make sure. I ended up 32k, Danny. 32 yesterday. Jay, Adam, memes are down doesn't mean they're out. So we might get a bounce on the memes later. So they're only slightly down on the day, but we'll see. What I would say, hey Alberto, what I would say with regards to the memes is there's nothing else moving right now, so they're worth keeping on watch. In fact, I'm going to put edible on the small one here. On the small chart. That's kind of panned out a bit, flattened out. So what you said, Jay, in terms of CPI and the market's going to fall, I would be inclined to agree with you, but I would also state that based on the PPI data yesterday, it may not hold. So if you're shorting, make sure and it does fall, make sure you take profits, because yesterday we saw that the market. Let's go back to yesterday pre-market, and I'll show you exactly what happened at 8:30 on the SPY. So this is what happened yesterday with the PPI data. I'm expecting something similar today with the stiff drop. So it actually dropped $3 on the SPY. So I'm expecting a similar kind of drop. If the numbers are similar, and they usually are, but if the numbers are similar in terms of CPI, it may be even more than a $3 drop. However, this just then bounced almost straight away and got back up to those levels, and went on later in the day, went on to create highs. I mean, look at that. It's just very strong. I mean, extremely strong market, and we went on to break significant highs, and it wouldn't surprise me if we have a similar reaction today if it does sell off initially. So make sure you take profits. Nobody goes broke taking profits. Just remember that. Oh, we're getting GameStop rallying. I hear. Tell you what, I'm not going to. I tried AMC earlier and I actually lost on it. I thought it was turning around and I lost a bit on it. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait until it goes green. Maybe AMC over $7 or GME or over 49. That's what I'm watching for. I thought you were insulting me then, Mike. My dyslexia. I need to. It can be a problem. Dyslexia coupled with a dirty mind. I saw a completely different word than CTNT. I'm sure you can work that out. Moved well yesterday, did CTNT actually. Popping again. Had a really good day yesterday. Net supply chain services. Do we have any net new news today? Yes, we do. They issued the new prospectus. They priced the following offering for gross proceeds of 8 million yesterday. That's why it moved up yesterday. But I'm not seeing any net new catalysts, so it's just a continuation from yesterday on Cheetah. What we're getting with Tupperware here? No, that's wrong. That's completely wrong. Power's not there either. Let me just refresh these. My scanners are all over the place at the moment. Something like that, dude. It sounds very similar, depending on your accent. A few scanners issued this morning. Edible just broke over $7. What's going on with my scanners? Your old-time scanners. I was pulling all the way back. That was horrendous. Edible garden. Still a whole dollar move up and then a whole dollar retracement. I'm glad I missed it. Oh, what's going on with my scanners? Scanners are not doing anything in a minute. So if you see anything moving, guys, hey Alistair, how you doing? If you see anything moving, let me know because my scanners are just given up the ghost. I'm going to give them a couple of minutes and I'll just refresh it and all over again. Having some issues. My scanners. Not good. Can't get that. This makes enough back up over 7. Well, dude. Get green, stay green. Get over goal, get out. Absolutely 100% agree with you, dude. I mean, you're welcome to stick around and make sure you smash the like button before you leave. Oh, that was horrible. Spreads on this are whippy. Scared the hell out of me when I was trading it this morning. Spreads were like 30, 40 cents, and I went in big, and it paid off in the end. But I went in big, and it scared the hell out of me. I'm not going to make that mistake again. $0.10 on the spreads right now. Ready to cut this. Can't hold $7. I'm ready to cut it. Doesn't look like it's holding 7, although they've got 7 on the ask again. We're back over 7 on the ask. So it's nice support at 7. It's not doing. Right there. Hey Matt, how you doing? Yeah, that's the difference between being profitable and not there, mate. Cutting your losers quick. 20-cent spreads. Morning, Thomas. Good to see you, buddy. Over that $half on the bid. Get up there. Take the bid with you. Good for you as hell. Gotta say. Between the spreads and it's maybe. Have you over the $half? Come on. No need. Multitasking here. Not an ideal situation. Bounce on the 9 like it has been doing, or does it pull back to 20 stroke feedback? $0.45 on the 1 minute ATR. Not going to give it that much though. I totally agree with that one, Steve. I love that sentiment. Actually, I need to turn my air conditioner. I've only got the fan on at the moment. It's really hot. A lot easier to trade earlier on the initial move. with the big spreads. Over a $0.50. Like that. $0.20 spreads are horrible. In it. 1,000 shares. It's below $7 again. It might not come back. Looking weak with those upwicks. Nice one, Puno. All good if you can. All green's good green. It's all good if you can get it. Okay. I'm not giving. I made 3K on this earlier. I just give 1,200 back, so I'm not giving any more back. In 6 minutes, they're stone cold. CPI will drop. I'll switch over to the SPY. This again. Yep. You have a free do you have a free broker there, free commission broker there, Bruno? Here. Taking the bid with it. It's top. Let's go green on the day. We're looking for. Cents down on the bid, a couple of cents down on the ask. Oh, up and falling. That's hard on the last pump as well. Should get the CPI data dropping any second, in about 30 seconds. Don't really want to be in this while CPI is going on. Seconds. About 580 amount anyway. There you go. Good results on the CPI. So CPI for April 3.4, which is in line with estimates. It's down from prior. Core CPI month over month for April is in line with estimates, 0.3. Retail sales numbers coming in as well for April, 0% versus the 0.4 estimate. So year over year core CPI 3.6, just bang in line with the estimates. So I think people were expecting that to be more. So the market is going to move up, and let's have a look at this on the daily. I think we've just smashed the all-time highs. Yeah, we just smashed the all-time highs, and that line there was the all-time high. Smashed the all-time high on the S&P 500. It's a bullish market, guys. It's a bullish market. That was the wrong button. Wanted to take profit. Bought me some more. That's all right. Yeah, 10 cents. I'll be happy. Like 10 on the bid. Way to go, Tony. Start off 3K up and give it all back. We get though. Yeah, I'll have a look at Faraday in a moment, Steve. Give me a second. I don't normally mess with those penny stocks, but I'll have a look at that in a minute. As soon as I get out of this trade for you. Have a look at it for you. I'm not trading for you, but as soon as I get out of this trade, I'll have a look at it for you. It's probably the best thing to say there. Back over 8. 8. 500. Back over 3K. So just recovered what we lost pretty much earlier. The CTNT trade needs to be recovered. Let's see, can we do that as well? Been choppy. Faraday. Have a look at that for you, Steve. So Faraday, right now, on the 15, it's at 58 cents and change. Just over 58, just pretty much at 58. If you got in, you're in at 58.75. You're not far off. It's in around 58, so it's been over that already. It's been up to 70 cents, but it's very choppy. It's in and out over the VWAPs. It's very choppy. I would take personally. I'd take profit when you get the chance. No worries, Steve. How long in years to become rich in Bitcoin? Well, how long's a piece of string? Firstly, what's your definition of rich? Secondly, how much do you have to invest? Simple. So if your idea of becoming rich is making $1 million, how long to make $1 million on Bitcoin? Well, how much have you got to start off with? If you're looking, if you got $500,000 and you get leveraged on it, and it moves up like 5-to-1 leverage or something like that, and it moves up 10K, then you've made your $1 million. We're not trading crypto here, by the way. This is equities, so stocks and shares. It's back over $6. I'm going to take a slice. Edible breaking highs. It's very choppy. 20-cent spreads here on this one as well. Devil horns on the 5. I don't know why I took that position. Add it now. Particularly the size of the position I've just taken as well. We'll give it a little while. I should have waited for $6. I want to risk 100 on this. I'm not sure I do. What's the volume now? Edible breaking highs again, up to near 9. What's happened to the volume since I got in? It's just nobody's trading it now. Come on, bulls. Jump on the 20. If you haven't smashed the thumbs up button yet, get on that. Do me a favor, just hit the like button. Got 50 minutes. 50 minutes before the market opens, so let's get another 21 likes before that. You know what to do. Smash that thumbs up button. Do it now. The range is 20 cents on the 1 minute ATR, nearly 21, 21.6 actually, 20.6. It's not moving very much. And it does move, there's big candles. Let's see. Where is this going to go? Is it going to go my way? I'm not so sure. Because of the lack of volume right now. Volume's just died right out. Only had volume really since 8 o'clock this morning. No worries there, mate. Yeah, I should have stuck with edible, but I got in for the break of $6 on this, and it's worked out for me. How much tested the VWAP today? Breaking under it, so I'm going to cut this bounce here. Not the end of the world. We can recover that. Right, missed 80% move there. Buying the 9. Looking at the way that the movement here, it's been bouncing off the 9 all morning so far. So 9's currently at 841, so 840, and I'm in at 850. So giving it 10 cents, and the spreads are as wide as that. So not giving it much risk. Calculated risk. Further below this. Gave it a little bit more than I should have done. Alright, I need to stop and eyes down again. Shooting from the hip like a cowboy right now. Not a good way to trade. No momentum trade. If at the moment I'm just chasing the momentum and it's not. I need to wait for the setup. Looking at NYSE right now, looking for a catalyst. So they've NYSE Tech secures 5 NYSE licenses with major brands, 3 additional global brands reviewing agreement. First e-enabled products to launch in the second half of this year. Blackberry breaking highs. What's the range on this at the moment? 4 cents. I thought so. It's moving up, but it's not very volatile. 3% up on the day, and it's less than 4 cents on the ATR. So it's not volatile enough for me, I don't think. I don't expect to get a big move on that. Expecting to turn around maybe at the VWAP. Back over 8 signal. really seeing anything moving right now. We'll turn around back up over 450 maybe. Bottom there on the 20, but I don't like it. The lack of consistent volume makes it inconsistent. Blackberry. Oh, this is shortable actually. Another few what's this? Take risk on this with you up and the 9 EMA there. I think we were getting some increase in volume, but it just didn't happen. Bounce on the 9. There's more volume. Like it. I don't like trading low volume stocks. Makes a new high. I will. Another. Yeah, it does. We're going to have to work for it today, unfortunately, get him. Not like yesterday. Well, not like every day since Friday. We've had a couple of easy traders. Friday, Monday, yesterday, some easy traders. Not getting them today. Take the bid with you. In the spreads right now. The $0.50 at least. It went up to 478 a few moments ago. 10 minutes ago. I'd like to see the $0.50. Convergence of VWAP and 9 EMA at 427.5. Both of them testing 428. Last 2 times it bounced on the 20. Currently at 416. Another 20 cents. There's not a lot moving. Should have been patient, I guess. So that's 3 red trades, 1 green, and already 3k down on the day. That's not a big deal compared to yesterday. 32k up yesterday, but that's the wrong mentality. I should be looking at a green day every day. I'm going to size down from now on. Trade like 500,000 shares until I get a little bit more green on the board. Monday.com earnings today. Down here. This is Irwin's Tech. Not seeing any net new catalyst. That's a big move. Very big move. $50. That was, yeah, shooting from the hip. Ridiculous trade, Tony. Ridiculous entry. You need to put yourself on timeout. Over $5 here. 507 is the high of the day. We 520. Risk reward all to cock. Tony, you've got overconfidence again after a couple of really good days, and now you're trading like an absolute donkey. Does that bounce come in this time? And it's 48 cents on the, or 42 cents on the spreads, and 10 cents on the spread. So look at this, 50 cents. I'm way off. Yeah. Trading like an absolute tool. Right. Gonna move back up. I had profit to take there at 540, 546. $2 up. I didn't even take it. Like an idiot. Should have been out. Just worst case scenario, I should have been out when it broke the VWAP. Worst case scenario, when it broke a new low at the $0.50. And I just kept holding it like a pretty rabbit in the headlights. I'm going to be looking back at that trade later and thinking, Tony, what were you doing? And the fifth answer is, what were you doing getting in there? Second answer is, what were you doing holding it for so long? I mean, I'm going to have to give myself a severe talking to. Oh, I got a yes, absolutely, Darryl. I had a fantastic day yesterday, 32k yesterday. But it's okay having a 32k day. If you're giving it back the day after, that's not how you trade. I was hoping for a bounce, but that's look, trading on hope. You've heard me say it so many times, Getty. Trading on hopium is not strategy. It just goes to show, even experienced traders. Cheers, Alistair. Even experienced traders make bad decisions sometimes. Everything about that trade was wrong, from the sizing, from the entry, from not taking profits when it was there. Everything about that trade was wrong. Right, I'm putting myself on a 10-minute timeout. High, sell low, absolutely. And the way that the market's panning out today, it's going to be difficult to claw that back. From 3k up, this first thing, that was just a terrible trade. 3k up to 8k down, that's a 11k swing against me. Any thoughts on SINT? Yeah, it's a penny stock that I don't touch, Journey. And the simple answer, I've never understood people that unless you've got a free commission broker, you're going to get absolutely screwed over. It's difficult to make money in the pennies because you have to either go in with huge size, to make money on the small moves, and if you do that, then you get hit with the ECN charges, which means it's difficult to make money with those penny stocks. Well, good for you, Steve. You must have a free commission broker. Right, absolutely all day. No penny stocks here, absolutely. Well, the big ones traded yesterday were AMC, GameStop, and SunPower. Those were the bigger trades from yesterday, and we finished on a little over. Yeah, don't get me started. We finished on a little over 32k yesterday, so it was a good solid day, and then trading like an absolute mug today. So yeah, all the basics on Novavax and Mullen as well yesterday, but the big ones were GameStop, AMC, and then SunPower. My scanners are all over the place here. Still 637. That's how you rack up commissions if you've not with a $7.91. Adam, you reckon today? $8 for AMC today, you think? Not so sure. Selling off all morning. Big gap up. Look at this on the 5th. That was yesterday. After hours. Did move up. There you go. Big gap up. Gapped up and went up to 9.27 this morning, did AMC. Gapped up from like 7.50, so let's see. Is it done? I'm not sure. Might be 10k on a win. I just lost 5k on it there. Helper enough. AMC 791. That's a big. It could do. Could do. That's the last positive swing high. 780. Yeah. Yeah, 780. 791. I'm not so sure. Needs to get back over the VWAP, back over 7, back over 650, back over the VWAP, back over 7. So there's a lot of got to do a lot of work to get there, and it's not on the kind of volume it was on yesterday. DGL, I'll have a look for you. Treasure Global. Well, it has moved. There's nobody trading it at the moment. So it depends on what time frame you're looking at. DGL has not moved because nobody's traded it. So it's staying the same. So it has moved, but it's just not moved in the last couple of minutes because nobody's. It's very low volume. God, in the first place. $8 earlier today. Next candle make a high, so 820. Don't really have one stone cold. It depends on the day. So normally I would look at like 10% of my equity. So today that would be like 11K. However, what I normally do is if there's volatility in the market, I think I have a chance of clawing it back, then I will do. If I'm trading like I am right now, then there's no chance. I need to put some green on the board, put the base hits, get back in the groove, because I've just been trading like a dog this last couple of trades. A break of 820. I think it break. We're going to flat top here at 820. I'm looking for that break of 820. That's the first. There you go. Information. Now we're looking for the $half. Third comment, get him. Third comment. They did alter that air conditioning, did they? Morning, Rob. You're a bit late to the party today, buddy. Well, I hope those of you that were shorting the market for CPI, trying to anticipate post CPI numbers, I hope you got out okay. That's what I'm thinking, Bobby. Bounce on the whole dollar and the 9. Or not. Dip. Holding way too long again. Yeah, that's me done. I'm locking that down. Even before, I'll wait till the open now. I've locked my montage till the open. We're trading like an absolute dog this morning. We're giving back a third of yesterday's gains. That's not how you trade. Am I missing the cold? Absolutely not. I couldn't do anything with the heat. I was just lay by the pool all day. It was... Picked up the mangoes from the garden first thing and then just went lay by the pool all day. Edible was the right stock to trade, but then I'm just going to give it all back. So yeah, every loss I've had today is bigger than it needed to be. I should have been cutting earlier. Cutting them all earlier. Some power's over the VWAP now. Right, not trading till after the open now. We'll see if we get anything good moving after the open. I'll have a look. But right now, I need to give myself a timeout. I'm not looking at that because if that goes up and gets to 850 now, after getting out, I'll get formal. Have a look at some power. Down hard. I've locked my montage anyway. 17% down on the day. I got a lovely little pop yesterday on this after the open. What's it? I got this on the 50. So this was yesterday. This is the move that I got in, and as it broke 475, I was able to get in. Got stopped out, and then it bounced on the 9, so I got back in, and I was able to ride that up. So I got almost 2k out of that one, and that was my last trade of the day. Just shy of 30k when I took that trade yesterday. Familiar names. Edible Garden, Visa, Guard Force AI, Book Power. All these were traded very well in the past. Clean Spark even. sometimes if you're not trading well, like I'm not today, your decision making's off, your timing's off, whatever it can be, then best to sit on your hands and either give yourself a timeout and come back a little bit more refreshed, or just don't trade. Take a hit on the day in terms of a red day and just don't trade. I'll give back $3,000 on edible. Getting some movement on Novavax. But this can look green on the day. Might see some nice movement. Giving some back's okay, Adam. Giving a third back is not. Yeah, the volume's not great. But if the volume comes in at the open, is what I'm thinking, 10 minutes, Novavax might move. Cheers there, Alistair. Trading like a gunslinger today, just shooting from the hip, and that's not how I made the money yesterday. So I'll wait for the open now. Well, I'll see what happens at the open. Might get an easy trader come in. GameStop and AMC might go absolutely mental and provide me with an out. 5,000 shares of AMC for $2, and I'm back in the green. So $6 to $8. Yeah, it was. Yeah, I was trying to, because as we broke new highs, I was trying to maximise the position. I was just trying to swing for the fence instead of base hit. So who was it that said it? You that said it, get it. Base hit, and I was trying to swing for the fence. It was a good entry, and I should have taken profit instead of doubling up. Should have, would have, could have. Like I say, when you're trading like a dog, probably best just to have a time out and review what you're actually doing wrong. Now, we don't trade futures, Spiker. Equities, stocks and shares. Or equities. Over 640 and AMC becomes bullish again, in my opinion. Over $7 and it'll probably go back up to 10. Watch GameStop. If you're trading at AMC or BlackBerry or have GameStop's chart open. That will give you ideas of what the price action is likely to be. Have I ever traded futures? Yes. I don't like it. Simple reason is more often than not it's a derivative. So I'd rather trade the actual stock that's. I'd rather trade the instrument that's making up the derivative. Yeah, Alan, you know what? That's what I've just put myself on timeout till the open. So it's like a 15-minute timeout. Yeah, Nvidia's making me very happy. It's 927 and change. Very good. Over 1.1 is my position on Nvidia now. Cost just under half a mil total from 700k up on Nvidia. So yeah, that's making me happy. This CMEG. Lower price stocks making news, bacon and eggs, IPW. There is a couple of IPOs scheduled for today. One yesterday, but didn't have much volume at all. BTOC, so Armalogic Holdings didn't have much volume at all yesterday, so not worth even looking at. Let's face it, everybody was looking at the meme stock. So IPO yesterday was not a good time to launch. But we have currently halted JDZG. It's one IPO. This probably will go live by probably between 10 and 10:30, I would imagine. And then we've got Ray, RAY, is the other IPO. Also, probably will go live about 11 o'clock. So we do have two IPOs due to go live today. You can get some volatility though, but make sure you take profits quickly with them, because if they're volatile enough, you tend to find the volatility swings both ways. So just be careful when you're trading IPOs. Yeah, pop and drop there. No, I had no business taking that trade on Airwin. Airwin's Tech. The entry was wrong, the setup was wrong, the entry was wrong, the sizing was wrong, the lack of taking profits was wrong, and holding on to everything about that trade was wrong. Good that you can actually look back at a trade and dissect what you did wrong. But what you can't do, look back at it and say, well, I'll change my decision making. You've got to ask yourself, why did I make those decisions in the first place? Because I'll look at that chart there at my entry and exits, and I'm like, what was going on in my head? Yeah, I wouldn't say I've been chasing. It's just my decision making's been off. So, like I say, I'm going to wait till the open, which is less than a minute away, and then see what the market gives us. And if it's doesn't give me anything that I think I can make some back, I'm going to lock it down and take it on the chin. It's right now. I've come back from much worse. In fact, I came back from 16k down. That was just last week. So. I'll wait. The boring part of trading. Waiting. 10 seconds. Good luck, guys. I hope you all have a lovely green day. Right, on target. 379 is the halt level, so I'm not getting in at 375. I'm watching two of these stocks right now, and none of them are making me excited. Edible Garden over 850. Let's have a quick look. I missed it. I said over 850 could really move, and it's got into a halt. Well, I was right. I was right, I guess. Stop halting to the upside. ETNT halted, Edible halted, GameStop halted. Power. Overvax making nice moves. Plus green on the day, just brought the pre-market high. AMC halted as well. No? Yeah, to the downside. to win, making a move. 4. Terrible. I don't mind. That's 22 cents slippage. I hate stops. Don't execute when you want them to. Hey David, how you doing, buddy? Level resumption on NT. So 7 resumption, so gap down on AMC likely. Edible 896, so level resumption pretty much on Edible Garden. Oh, that's a massive slip down. Well, Steve, hold at the right time just before the halt. That's halted down. Let's have a look at GameStop halted to the downside as well. That's about to halt. So resumed and down at 39.70 halt. Yeah. All these resumptions and halts and whatnot. DTNT pushed all the way down. Yeah. Typical, isn't it? I get stopped out and then it moons. Looking at that pre-market high. Ugly day right now. Ah. think it's going to be my last entry today. It's on my way. As hell, this. See if it breaks that pre-market high. Yeah, that's me done. Thank you. My entries are all out, my judgment's all off. I'm just not at it today, so close to giving back half of yesterday's gains, which I'll wait. I'll wait till the top of the hour now. I'm on timeout till the top of the hour. I can't help myself. Oh, that's good stuff, Steve. I don't know why you'd be trading that with the lack of volume on it anyway, but fair play. AMC vomiting down again. The meme stocks are all vomiting right now. Maybe it's the dip before the rip. We'll see. Holding the 9 fairly well. Stop there. Now made a little bit back. So made 50 cents there, so it's over $1,000 back. I've been trading like an absolute buffoon so far, mate. Now, the first trade that's gone for me in a little while. First entry that's gone for me in a little while, so. $1/4 now. I'd say. Let's pull back on it. Dollars. It'll take some off. 30-cent trailing stop in place, and now I can play with it. I'll wait till it clears this halt level before I even consider getting in. Well, there's a stop. Oh, halted to the downside, edible garden again. $655, $669 the halt level, so I want to pull back. I can pull back there. Hard to borrow. Blackberry, sortable, on power, short sale restriction, with Blackberry. No, it's shortable. They win. Pretty much the only one that is worth watching right now. Yeah, Adam, hit before the rip on GameStop, AMC, absolutely, totally agree that they could move back up, well, certainly to where they started today. break session highs. I don't know about the highs of yesterday, but certainly the session highs of today. $1. Red candle in 8. Over $7. I've got my stop at 6. My special number, I've got it tattooed on my head there, Alistair. Well, I think it's a tattoo. I was born with it. Just for you, Alistair. Made a new low and I don't like that. Standing wedge now into a flat bottom, usually breaks down. So let's see, can we get over the $1/2 here? I can use my exposure. Take the bid with you. Over $7 would be nice. Nice to catch the top of that. $0.50 trailing stop. 58 cents on the 1 minute ATR, so I want to see a 50-cent trailing stop on this. I'm risking pretty much all the gains there, but we'll see. It's over 750. Would be worth quite a bit to me. We're over $7 now, so good half K in this. Maybe the comeback is on. Get over $8. Over $8. Maybe the comeback is on. See? You can take all the credit for it, Alistair. Assuming that it's not halted yet. We're not at the halt level yet. Ooh, over $8. Moving up. A nice gap upward. I've just reduced my stop to 20 cents. Not halted yet, but I've reduced my stop from 50 to 20 cents just in case it does gap down. But first impression is it was a gap up. Now it looks like it's level. Right, it only takes one stock, and as long as this moves up, I've got a 20-cent trailing stop in place. So we'll come back and have a look at that at the top of the hour. If it's gapping up like it is now, it could take me not just green but over gold. We'll see. 850 it was looking at one stage, so let's see what happens. GameStop halted to the downside again. Where's it going to end? Looks like I've not got a resumption on GameStop. What about AMC? Is that halted as well? No, AMC just shit in the bed. Halt level 521. But it looks like AMC is about to halt to the downside. And I looked at pricing in short okay as well today. But I didn't. Edible garden. That's horrible. Looks like I'm going to get a gap down on a win. But not quite green. It looks like it's going to gap down. So halted at 8.16. Oh, $9. $9.31. That's not right on the imbalance. I'll take that. Absolutely, I'll take that. That was a lovely bull flag though here. So I didn't mind. I didn't like the upwicks on this, but I didn't mind buying the dip here because we're getting a lovely bull flag. A lovely bull flag setup. And then it broke out. Happy days. I hope it does gap up to $9. That would be nice. 90 seconds to find out. If it's a 5-minute halt, it'll be 90 seconds to find out. So what else were we looking at? And what ticker is this? It's Airwinds Technology. So AWIN Jack. Only takes one, Alan. Only takes one. %, man. I wouldn't look to chase it right now. But anything above, I'll take anything above. Any gap up, I'll take. 824 right now, so that won't quite get me green on the day, but it's a pretty good recovery. Yeah, I'm kind of waiting for the bounce on GameStop or GME as well. I'm waiting for the meme bounce. So we've got about a minute on a win. AMC halted to the downside. Looks like it's... That's not right. Yeah, I've got the open price on the imbalance as the resumption. I don't know why that is, but that's what I've got. It's looking like a gap down again now, so we're looking at 8.10 resumptions. I'll take anything over $8 right now. Glad I reduced my trailing stop. This should resume in about 10 seconds-ish. If it's a 5-minute halt, it should resume in about 10 seconds. Ooh. Oh, that wasn't good. Big flush down. It's still made some profit though. Didn't recover all my losses, but still made some profit at least. Show me. That was ridiculous. That's a little bit more. The comeback's on. Maybe. I'm getting bullshit here. Over $9, I think. Might be okay. Over 9 and hold. Struggling a little bit up there. 91. 9. Take half off. 30-cent trailing stop in. Got stopped out. Spreads are mental. Like 30-cent spreads. It's got that temperament of an ex-girlfriend for sure. GameStop halted up. Yeah, it has. What about AMC? That's not halted up. So I will wait for AMC to get $6. I'm not taking another one on this one until we either get new highs or we get into a very significant level up at $10. 10.23 is the halt level. But I want to see. Nice healthy pullback here. No, but no, I'm not seeing a catalyst, a specific catalyst on Irwin's. That's what I'm waiting for. That significant pullback. What I might do here is buy that for a bounce on the $8. 9 EMA. smaller size. Tends to 75. I edged on the 9 last time. Go back. Another bounce. I will add at $9 for exit. Wise. It's over 850. That will be my stop. For 875. Right. Now a little bit of profit. No, actually 2 cents. I lost 2 cents on that. $8.80. Yes, Bobby, I took a dip buy on the 9 EMA. Didn't quite work out, but that's fine. What else have we got? Well, from 12k down to 4k down, I've made an 8k inroads trading this, so I guess I'll keep looking, I'll keep trading. I don't trade with T212, Steve, but is it, I don't know, is the simple answer. But I'm gonna lock it in here, guys. Right now we're -4, but I have a funny feeling that we're going to be able to recover that. If you're in the day trade with Tony community, you've got access to the Discord. Jump along to the Discord. I'll be posting updates in the Discord. For everyone else, I will give you an update tomorrow, and we'll see what we can do if we can get green or even get over gold today. I think there's a lot of opportunities. I think the meme stocks are not done yet. So I'll be watching for those. So I will see you all tomorrow. I mean, yeah, I mean, if you want to join the Day Trade with Tony community, either become a member on YouTube or take the course. I mean, if you get lifetime access to the Discord, the private Discord. Get lifetime access to the private Discord if you're a Day Trade with Tony student at any time. If you have been a Day Trade with Tony student, you need a refresher. I've just sent out an email to all former students and offering 50% off if you want to get back in and take a refresher course on Day Trade with Tony. So get on that if you want it. If you've not received that email, let me know, and I will send it to you again. In the meantime, guys, I'll see you all tomorrow or in the Discord. Take it easy. I'm going to wrap it up now.
Living the life, living large, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teach you the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves his groove. Trade with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the way.